All right, so another day and another tiny bit closer to completion on the boat. I'm going to say that I'm extremely happy with how it's turned out so far. Got a majority of the middle section completed, and yeah, I'm just really happy with how it's turned out. I like the look. I got this kind of ratio where I like it, from that bit here to this bit here. But yeah, I've just been doing some tinkering. I do like my tinkering. I end up coming up with this little bad boy here. So these little tiny set squares that you can get. You get them with machines. I got mine with my Makita miter saw probably about 7 years ago, and they work out really well. They're great, but you can't really stand them up too good. So what I did is I made this cool little 3D printed part. It's just got a tiny little groove in it, and all you do is just slide the part in one-handed, and it just sits in there really nicely. You can see that, bam. It's a snug fit. It's not the tightest fit in the world, just because I want to make it removable, but you know, it works as it's intended. So yeah, anyway, back to the boat. I just thought that I'd show off that little thing. There is a link in the description for that. Everything's come along super smooth. Really happy with how it turned out. This is going to be a bit of an update video on things. I've got some parts completed. I've got some foam and whatever else for the air filter. So yeah, and I don't know if I really kind of showed everyone this, but this is the motor. I did probably show it, but I didn't probably show it off too clearly. It's about a 25cc GMC. I'm thinking about 3D printing a cover for this bit here with a flywheel, is just to cover it up. Undecided on that yet, but it can always be done. I've got the air filter done, which is that one there. Came out extremely sexy. That's actually a failed prototype because the tolerances for this cap were basically bang on. I should have allowed for probably 20 thou of PLA shrinkage, but I didn't. So when I put it on, I couldn't get it back off. So then my OCD kicked in, and then we printed another one. So anyway, we printed another one. So I hope everyone's enjoying the videos so far. This is definitely not a rushed project. The videos will come out, I guess, when they just come out naturally. There's the fuel tank for the boat, and I've also got fuel filters and fuel lines there. I've got obviously I'm going to 3D print some little, probably 50mm fuel line like brackets to hold these separate and just in order. But yeah, so anyone, if you like what you're seeing so far, do like, do comment, do subscribe. Just subscribe. You know, any negative and feedback comments is always welcome. So see you in another video, everyone.